Welcome to Gayatri Yoga, my friends. Today I offer you a 10-minute yoga flow that you can do at any time when you need to take a break from your busy day, from whatever you're doing. Maybe you're doing some work and you need to distract in order to have a fresh look at whatever you're doing. Or maybe you're in some stressful situation and you need to tune in and just catch up with your breathing and put your thoughts in one place. So we'll begin from our child's pose. Lowering down to your knees, sending the hips back, extending your arms, bringing your forehead to the floor, applying some pressure to your third eye, and just taking a couple of deep breaths. Bringing your attention inward, feeling your back body expanding as you inhale, contracting as you exhale. Nice and long inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. And exhale. Now lift your forehead. Bring your forearms to the floor next to the knees. Extend your fingers. Press the forearms into the mat and find your little cats and cows. Inhale. Exhale, press the floor away from you, round your back, tuck the chin. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Press the floor away from you. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, gaze to the front. Lift the elbows. Press the palms into the mat. Inhale, arch. Exaggerate this arch in your back. Exhale, press the floor away from you, round your back, stretch your back body. Inhale, arch, roll the biceps out. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, return to neutral. Walk the palms in, sitting on your heels. You can curl the toes and stretch the soles of the feet, connecting to the sensations. Inhale, lift the arms up, interlace the fingers, lengthen. Send your arms behind your ears, find the arch. And exhale, round your back, draw the navel towards the spine, reach the fingertips to the floor, tuck the chin. Inhale, arch, lift through the heart, open the heart. Exhale, round. One more time, inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, reach the fingertips up to the ceiling. Lengthen and reach your arms to the right. Stretch the side body. Circle your arms to the floor, through the center. Try not to lift the hips. All the way to the left and up. Stretch to the left. Inhale, exhale, circle through the left to the center. To the right, stretch your lower back. Stretch your side body. Stack the shoulders. Engage the core, return back to neutral. Slowly lower the palms to the floor. Carefully uncurl your toes. Let go any tension in your toes. Press the palms into the mat. Align the fingertips with the knees. You can use the blocks if needed. Engage the core. Draw the pubic bone towards the ribs. Feel this area engaging. And now press the floor away from you, lifting the knees. Stretch the tops of the feet. Reach the heels towards one another. Exhale, lower the knees down. Inhale, up, round your back, tuck the chin. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Slowly lower the knees down and transition to your tabletop. Relax your feet, relax your ankles. Opening your knees hip-width distance apart. Inhale, finding your cats and cows. Lift through the heart. Exhale, round your back. Press the floor away from you. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch, connecting to your breath. Exhale, round. Inhale, return to neutral. Curl the toes. Lift the knees and hover 2 inches off the mat. Keep your back flat. And now pass the knees towards one another. Squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Bring your right knee towards the right armpit and back down. 2, press the floor away. 3, breathe. 4 and 5, and switch. 1, keep your back flat. 2, compress. 3, 4 and 5. Hover the knees, reach the chest, your armpits towards the thighs. And now extending the legs, find your downward dog. Reach the heels down. Walk your legs here, bending the knees one at a time. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Bring your right palm and reach to the outside of your left shin or your ankle, doing a little twist. Keep reaching the heels down, gaze towards the left armpit. Inhale, exhale, slowly release. Switch sides, left palm towards the right ankle or outer shin and twist, gaze towards the right armpit. Reach the heels down, send the tailbone up. Press the floor away from you with your right palm. Inhale, exhale, return. Inhale, slide forward to plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin or Chaturanga. Inhale, extend the torso, finding your cobra. Exhale, shift the hips back. Inhale, find your cobra, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back. Inhale, find your cobra. Exhale, shift the hips back. Curl the toes, lift the hips up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up and step your right foot to the outside of the right palm. Now lift towards the right fingertips and lift your left palm up and send the left elbow to the back of the room, finding this little back bend here. And as you exhale, reach your left arm under your right thigh, reaching your left shoulder to the floor. Inhale, open the heart. Exhale, close the chest. Inhale, open, push your left shoulder, right shoulder into the knee into the shoulder. Open. Exhale, close. One more time. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. And now return to neutral. Extend your right leg and do this triangle back bend. Breathe. Keep opening the chest. Exhale, slowly lower your left palm down, bend the right knee, twist to the right. Drop your left knee down, add your quadricep stretch. Breathe. Inhale and exhale, lower your left foot down, frame your front foot, step your right foot back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga or your knees, chest, chin. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, lift the hips up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up and step your left foot to the outside of the left palm. Lift towards the left fingertips. Press your left shoulder into the knee into the shoulder. And now draw your right elbow up and back, finding a little back bend here. And exhale, thread your right arm under the left thigh, almost reaching your right shoulder to the floor. Inhale, open. Exhale, thread. Inhale, open. You can use the block under the left palm if needed. Exhale. One more time. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, begin opening the chest to the right and extending your left leg. Have the palm on the block or just the fingertips. And now find your triangle back bend. So you're sending the hips to the front, sending your right shoulder and right arm back. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale, circle your right arm up and down to the floor. Drop your back knee down, twist to the left. Inhale, exhale, add in your quadricep stretch. Connecting to your sensations. Inhale. And exhale, slowly let go of the hold on the foot. Frame your front foot, step your left foot back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, lifting through the heart. Exhale, lift the hips up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up and step it to the front. Drop your back knee down. Lifting your arms up, finding your back bend, lift through the heart, sink the hips. And exhale, frame the foot, press the floor away from you, shifting the hips slightly back and rounding your back, tuck the chin. Inhale, lift up, find your back bend. Exhale, use the strength of your core to support your back and press the floor away, rounding your back. Inhale one more time, lift. Exhale, press the floor away from you, round. Inhale, sink the hips and walk your right foot all the way to the left. Drop the knee down and stretch your hips. When we are getting stressed, we tend to tighten up and all our stress goes to our hips and our heart. So this is why we are doing these moves to release and stretch these areas. If you wish, you can twist to the right. Maybe add your quadricep stretch. It's just an option. Remember, we are all at different points of our journeys and you need to listen to your body. Inhale, exhale, slowly release. Press the palms into the mat, lift the hips, step your right foot back. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog, lift through the heart. Exhale, shift the hips back up, downward dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up, step it to the front of the mat, drop your back knee down, engage the core, squeeze your inner thighs, activate, and lengthen through the front of the body, sink the hips, find your back bend, inhale. Keep your core engaged, exhale, begin reaching the palms to the floor, frame the foot, press the floor away from you, shift the hips a little back, rounding your back, tucking the chin. Inhale, lift through the heart, open the heart. Exhale, press the floor away from you, rounding your back, tuck the chin, stretch your back body. One more time. Inhale, lifting through the heart. Exhale, press the floor away from you, rounding your back. Inhale, gaze to the front. And now walk your left foot to the right edge of the mat, descending your left knee down. Be careful with the knee. Slowly move your right knee away from you. Lift through the heart. Stay here. You can lower down to your elbows, to your forehead, to your chest, or you can add a twist, just staying with your arm extended, or you can have your forearm on the mat, and maybe adding your quadricep stretch. Inhale, exhale, slowly release. Frame your front foot, press the floor away from you, lift the hips, step your right foot back, exhale. Very, very slowly, lower down to your Chaturanga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to the floor. Press the palms into the mat, inhale, finding your cobra, observe how it feels. Maybe you can find a deeper version of this pose. Exhale. In a controlled way, lowering your belly down. Bend the knees, send your palms back, grab your feet, press the feet into the palms and feel your knees, your thighs wanting to lift. Let them lift. Squeeze the glutes. Stretch your shoulders, your chest. Keep reaching your toes up to the ceiling. Inhale and exhale, lower the knees down slowly. Bring the palms, the feet to the floor. In a controlled way, lift the torso up, shift the hips back, and exaggerate the stretch in your lower back, rounding your back. And lower your forehead down. Beginning to slow down your breathing. Connecting to the heat you generated in your body, the energy that you can use to finish up your busy day, to use to solve your problems, deal with your stressful or difficult situations. Maybe return back to your studying, maybe preparing for your tests or your exams. Inhale, slowly begin rising up to your knees, bringing your palms to your heart. Taking a moment to reflect how your body feels after this quick flow. Observing, maybe there are a little less thoughts in your mind. Maybe you're a little more tuned in into your heart, into your intuition. Thank you guys for joining me for this quick flow. I hope you enjoyed it. It was very energizing for me. I feel awakened in my pretty much whole body, even though we didn't do many different poses and it was a pretty quick flow. I hope you have a beautiful, peaceful rest of your day, and until we practice again, namaste.